What's this package? What's this package? From Australia? Wonder what it could be. Oh, here it is. I got the FlowDesigns winglets for the side skirts, rear spats, as well as the front splitter extensions and the front winglets. So decided to purchase these. I originally bought the kit thinking that I wasn't feeling it when I first saw them released, so I bought the kit without the winglets. You can check out the install video here. I'll link it in the description. But what's great about the kit from FlowDesigns is that you're able to add the accessories, so to speak, after the fact, and I don't have to take off the kit again. I don't have to lift up the car. I think it'll be pretty straightforward. I think the rear spats are probably the only ones that will have a little bit of a I have to take off a little bit of the liner and use sort of a 10 mil. The other winglets, I'll just have to use a Allen wrench, and they have existing threading in the kit itself. So that's great. So that's what's great about it. So I wanted to add the winglets now that I have the Epsilon Aero wing extension. I think it added a little bit more aggression to the rear, and to kind of balance that out, I wanted to add these little bits to help add more to that aggression, I feel. With that said, let's open the box and see what we got. These look like the rear spats. These are the winglets for the front. Here are the side skirts. Here are the front splitter extensions. So we've got a lot here to unpack. So let's get into it.
Perfect.
So I was thinking for the side skirt, since these winglets will cover sort of the gel badge on the side skirt, kind of don't want to cover that up, but do want to add the winglet. So I was thinking, since I have weather mats, that I will try putting the sort of end badges that come on the carpet and drill a hole here and maybe attach it so that we still have the N logo on the sides. It might look funky when it doubles up, but want to make sure that people know that it's an N, and maybe add a little bit of a customization aspect to it as well. So we'll see how it turns out. Getting pretty late, so I'll probably just drop in the front splitter extensions and look to get the rest of the kit installed at a later time. It is pretty late, so gotta get some sleep soon, but let's get to it. Starting to line up the brackets here with the side skirt winglet and sort of taping off where I'm gonna drill. Lucky these end sort of badges have this little bracket here that have holes, so good for drill lineup. And this is sort of the placement of where it'll be. Let's drill and see how these fit. So my drill footage got a little messed up here, but you can see I was able to drill the 2 holes. Here's me sort of test fitting and making sure that the badge fits. And then the back of it has the bracket mounted, so everything was nice and snug. But you'll see in this next clip what happened. Well, this side came out a little different because I didn't account for the mirroring, so the distance here looks different, but on the back it actually is the same. Not a big deal. I think it'll still look good, but cool. So I also finally got around to tinting my headlights. Here's a comparison with no tint, and here it is with the tinted on the left and no tint on the right. I decided to go with like a yellow tint, and then here it is fully installed. You can see the DRLs are yellow at the top, but keep the amber light bulbs through. So I thought it came out great and nice little touch. So, hope you like this video. Install went pretty smoothly, and shout out to FlowDesigns for creating an awesome kit that's sort of a plug and play. I like how it is versatile in the sense that you can mix and match or get winglets or spats that you don't want or want to keep instead of buying a full kit, so having the option's great. The end badges, you know, little wonky, probably didn't come out how I thought it would, but I still think it looks good. I'll drop a link in the description below to where you can buy all the parts for the kit, as well as the kit itself if you haven't, or if you're interested in buying it. For the tint install, it was a little bit difficult. I would say definitely take your time. A heat gun for sure is recommended, as well as installing it in sort of a warmer climate instead of cold. The install didn't come out super perfect. On camera it looks good, and for me it's fine. Shout out to Badgeskins. If you want a pair of these, I'll drop a link as well. And if you like this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And then I will catch you in the next video. Peace.